going on, guys? Marissa here with the No Boss Life channel, the person bringing you a little bit closer to breaking the cycle of the rat race. Did you know that one of the best business opportunities can be unlocked by something you are using and have right now? Literally right now you have it, and if you're not already making money with it, it's because you didn't know how, or you just weren't in the right position to do it. But hopefully by the end of this video, that will all change. You watching this on a laptop, desktop computer, or maybe an Apple iPhone or an Android, which who uses those, then you literally have 50% of what you need to unlock the business I'm about to talk about here in a second. The other thing you have, actually, I'm gonna lump in there with that first half of what you need to unlock this business, is an internet connection. You may be like, well, I kind of walk to Starbucks today to even use the internet. Doesn't matter. Whether you have an internet connection at your house or you're somebody that may have to every other day walk to a Starbucks, McDonald's, or your local library, tap into their Wi-Fi, that is what you can do, which, by the way, I started doing in the very beginning of my journey. Many people do not know that. When I first tapped into this business I was about to talk about, I was broke, and I remember there were parts of my journey where I had to literally go to a library because I didn't have internet, and I just dove into what I'm about to talk about, and the rest is history from there. The second part of what you need is where this video gets a whole lot more interesting. If you're somebody looking to get rich quick, get off the video, this is not for you. I make $200 to $500 a day doing what I'm about to talk about, but I've also been doing this stuff since 2013. It did not happen overnight for me. If you're somebody who is looking to make pennies a day, or if you're trying to make $10 a day, this is not for you. If you're somebody that's wanting to do surveys and something like that, I've seen a lot of videos that are start a cleaning service. I'm people aren't gonna do that. Oh, do all these surveys. People are not gonna do that. Not hating against those things, but that's gonna be a topic for a different video that I make. This is for people who are truly wanting to break the cycle of the rat race and work for themselves full time eventually, and that requires people to make a lot more than $10 a day. If you do not think or believe you have to invest in yourself or a business in your time and money, you haven't got to leave the video. Bye. I've never done that before. That voice I just used. And this may sound harsh, but I gotta say it on here. If you on your last dime, not picking on you because I was there, okay, but go get a job, okay, and then save up a little bit of money and do what I'm talking about here. I was broke when I started this stuff back in 2013, but I did have a job until this stuff scaled for me to where I could quit it. Let me know right down in the comments, are you somebody that doesn't believe in get rich quick schemes? You are looking to make this a full-time thing. You're looking to eventually work for yourself. If you have those things, if you've got that mindset, you're about to get freaking real excited. Leave that in the comments if you are that person. Okay, so the second half of what you need to unlock an incredible business opportunity with your device you're using to watch this video and an internet connection is being able to plug into something that gives you a huge potential to be able to earn while you learn. I don't know about you, but when I think of the best opportunities, I think of stuff like that. I think of things that are cheap to get started with, can pay me pretty quickly if I actually follow the instructions of whatever that it is it's teaching me, and something that's gonna make me a good ROI, not only on just my money, but also my time. So instead of me giving you 7 or 10 sites or something like that that can do that for you that I've never tried before, I'm gonna tell you about something I actually do. I'm a part of a really cool direct sales opportunity online where all we're doing is literally copying and pasting ads this opportunity is giving to us onto social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, I just say Craigslist, Snapchat, forums, and other things. I can keep going. What this system is doing is it's teaching you how to do social media marketing, literally by just telling you, hey, do this, this, and this. And once you kind of get the hang of it, you'll start to see the concept behind these marketing skills that you could eventually apply to any other business you want to start, or maybe something you're already in. What happens is these ads go onto these social media platforms. They target people who are looking for this very opportunity. They say, hey, what the heck are you talking about? Send me information. You're gonna send them a website that gets created for you by the system. Once you send that site, it does all the selling and telling for you, okay? And they have a chance to actually plug into this opportunity. When they do that, you get 100% commissions that get paid out to you instantly via PayPal or Stripe. To see income proof for me, literally click the link in my video description below to check that out, or there maybe should be a video popping up somewhere at the top of here you can click to see. You're thinking, oh, is this an MLM? No, this is not an MLM, but it is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is being able to make money selling other people's products or services. So in this case, this is a digital marketing program that teaches people how to leverage the power of social media platforms to bring exposure to this opportunity or to whatever you are doing. The system has step-by-step video training that you can follow, literally step-by-step, on exactly what to do to make money with this. To check it out, again, click the link in my video description below, and also check out the video that I have on that link, because I let you know on some bonuses that I have once you become a part of my team. If you want to check it out, you can. If you like the video, like it. Leave a comment if you're somebody, again, that agrees you don't believe in get rich quick schemes. You're somebody that doesn't want to make freaking, under freaking $5 a day. You want to live the no boss life, and you understand the importance of investing time and money into yourself, into a business to start. Check that out. Let me know, and I can't wait to work with you.